Meaning of dirt track.
Dirt track.
Dirt track.
Dirt track.
Dirt track. A dirt track is a type of racecourse or circuit that is unpaved and covered in gravel, sand, or clay. These tracks are typically used for car, motorcycle, or horse racing events. The rough and uneven surface of a dirt track provides a challenging and exciting race experience for competitors and spectators alike. Races on dirt tracks often result in high speeds and intense maneuvers as drivers navigate the unpredictable terrain. While there are risks associated with racing on dirt tracks, many enthusiasts enjoy the thrill of the sport and the unique challenges it presents.